Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first lesson on Raspberry Pi. So the one that we are going to use is Raspberry Pi 4. Let's say you have Raspberry Pi 3, it doesn't matter. This one, the time when I bought this one, it was the latest. I didn't check what's the latest now. So this thing, I call it a PC, personal computer, because it has a connector for where you can put your mouse, where you can put your cable, where you can put your Ethernet cable at the back. Yeah? So this is a fan for cooling. And this one, it's a power for powering the Raspberry Pi, because it needs power. Then we have an HDMI cable. So this one is for if you want, this one is for Raspberry Pi side. Then this one is when you want to connect on the screen or on your laptop, which is something that we're going to do. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Raspberry Pi. So for this video, I was just showing you how the Raspberry Pi looks like. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.